Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Honda Accord backseat. Before we start, gather your tools. You will need a 3/8-inch ratchet, an extension, 10mm and 12mm sockets, and a pair of pliers. It is crucial to turn off your car's engine for safety. This guide will help you access areas for cleaning, repairs, or custom installations, making the process straightforward and manageable for anyone. To remove the lower seat cushion, first locate the release mechanisms. You will typically find 2 pull tabs or clips positioned underneath the front edge of the seat, one on each side. Gently push down on the seat cushion, then pull these tabs firmly to release the clips. Additionally, there is often a single 10mm bolt securing the center of the seat bottom. Remove this bolt. Once released, you can lift the entire seat cushion out of the vehicle. With the seat bottom removed, it is time to tackle the seat back. Start by going to your trunk and pulling the release levers to fold down the rear seat backs. This will expose 2 12mm bolts, usually located at the lower corners of the seat back. Remove these bolts. Next, carefully guide the seat belts through their slots. Then, lift the entire seat back straight up to disengage it from its upper hooks and pull it out of the car. Reinstallation is simply the reverse of removal. Begin by positioning the seat back, ensuring its upper hooks align and engage properly. Reinstall and tighten the 2 12mm bolts at the bottom. Next, place the seat bottom back into its original position, making sure to fasten the central 10mm bolt. Finally, press down firmly on the seat cushion above the 2 retaining clips until you hear them click into place, ensuring a secure fit for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.